Hello everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll guide you through how to uninstall an application in Windows 10 so you can safely remove programs you no longer need from your computer. Step 1. Click on the Start button, type Control Panel, and then click on Control Panel from the search results. The Control Panel is a built-in Windows tool that lets you manage installed programs and system settings. Step 2. Click on Programs inside the Control Panel window. This section contains options related to software management and helps you access the list of installed applications. Step 3. Click on Uninstall a Program. Here, Windows shows all the applications currently installed on your system, allowing you to choose which one to remove. Step 4. Click once on the application you want to remove, right-click it, and then click Uninstall. This action starts the removal process for the selected program. Step 5. Click Yes to confirm and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the uninstallation. Windows may ask for final confirmation or additional options before fully removing the application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials and troubleshooting guides.